In our previous videos of quadrilateral, we have gone through types of quadrilaterals: parallelograms, rhombus, square, kite, trapezium, and so on. Now, in this session, we will go through perimeter and area of all these type of quadrilaterals. Now, first, what is a perimeter? If a figure like this, what is the perimeter? Let's consider there is a plot like this or a figure like this. So what is the perimeter? All the boundary, if it is a plot, then whatever the length of rope required to cover this plot from all sides. So perimeter is nothing but the direct sum of all the linear values of the length of all these sides. Let's say if this is 10, this is 12, this is 15, this is 11, this is 8, and this is let's say 11. So what is the perimeter? Just add all these 6 values and this will be the perimeter. So perimeter is nothing but the boundary, periphery. Now, in case of triangle, what is the perimeter? It is sum of all the sides. Not only triangle, in case of all the polygons, may it be triangle or may it be square or may it be a pentagon or may it be a hexagon. In all the cases, we will just add all the values of length of all the sides. So, there is one formula which we use. Formula is nothing but a generalized derived format of any method. In case of equilateral triangle, what is equilateral triangle? A triangle whose all the sides are equal. So this is 3 into A. Means if this is a triangle A, B, C, then this side is A, this side is B, and this side is C. So the perimeter is A plus B plus C for this triangle. But if all 3 are equal, then A plus A plus A, this is 3. In case of parallelogram, just add. So in case of parallelogram, if this is base, this is length, and this is width. So 2 times L, 2 times B. So in case of parallelogram, the perimeter is 2L plus 2B. Same will be there for rectangle also. In case of rhombus, because all 4 will be equal, so perimeter in case of rhombus will become 4 times of A. The same perimeter will be there for square as well. So perimeter is nothing but just simply adding all the values of length measurements of all the outer sides. In case of a hexagon, what will happen? Because hexagon has 6 sides. If it is regular and it is a non-regular. Regular means all sides are equal. So if it is a regular hexagon, 6 sides, all sides equal to 1, that is equal to A. So the perimeter will be 6 into A. Let's say regular hexagon. So in case if it's a regular, all sides equal to A. So what is the perimeter? 6 into A. Okay. Similarly, if it's an octagon, 8 into A, because octagon has 8 sides. So this perimeter. When coming down to area, yes, what's your question?
Point is also known as into, right? Multiplication.
Right. So 6 into A. 6 times of A. Okay. Now, when we talk about area, let's consider a parallelogram first. A, B, C, D. Now, if this is base and this is height. Then what will the area of this parallelogram? The area of this parallelogram will be simply base into height. Now, why the area of parallelogram is base into height? That's also a question. To find out why the area is base into height, we can do it like this. Just match A and C. If we match A and C, we got two triangles, ABC and ADC. Now from the property of parallelogram, we know both of these triangles are congruent. So the area of these two will be equal. What about the area of triangle ABC? Half into base into height. Base into height. So the same will be for this triangle also. So for the entire parallelogram, we will add it. So area of parallelogram will be half into base into height into 2, which will reduce down to base into height. Okay. So same formula continues for rectangle also. In case of rectangle, base height is nothing but side. So in case of rectangle, we write length into breadth. Why? Because the base is length there and the height is actually b there. So length into breadth in case of a rectangle. When we come in terms of square, because length and width both are same as a, so it is a into a, so this is a square. In previous session, we have calculated what the area of a rhombus, area of a trapezium, area of a kite as well. Now let's go through some example to understand this in a little bit better way. Let's consider it's a quadrilateral. Don't assume this is a trapezium or parallelogram or anything. It is only a quadrilateral where only one angle, this angle is given as 90 degree. So A, B, C and D. This is a quadrilateral where the values are given as 24, 32, 25 and 25. So a quadrilateral having all the four sides and one angle as 90 degree. I'm again repeating it. It's not a trapezium. This side is not parallel to this side. Only one additional information given. This angle is 90 degree. So what will be the area of this figure ABCD? For the time being, you can pause this video and you can calculate. Once you will get the answer, then you can resume the video also. Okay? I am explaining it to you how this can be solved. Now, the process number 1, there are so many ways of doing this question. The process number 1 is we can just draw a line AC. Why we are drawing a line AC? Because the moment we will draw the line AC, we will get it in two triangles. And after getting the area, we will simply add the value of these two. 24, 32, 90 degree. So, what about area of triangle ABC?
Half into length.
Half into
Height into base.
24 into 32. Height, base. So, this will result to 12 into 32. What's the value of 12 into 32? 384 square centimeter. It is not mentioned, but let's assume all these values are in terms of centimeters. So, area of triangle ABC is 384 square centimeter. Now, how we will get the value of area of triangle ADC? That's a key question. Now, this is 24, this is 32. If these two are given, can we get the value of AC from Pythagoras theorem? if this is 24, this is 32, this value will be 40. Now, we can calculate this one also, like AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, and we can put 24 square plus 32 square, and this sum will be 1600. So AC will be root under 1600 resulting to 40. We can calculate. Or if you remember, there is something called Pythagorean triplets. What is a triplet? Pythagorean triplets are the numbers, whole numbers, which the first square of first two is the square of third. For example, 3, 4 and 5. 5, 12 and 13. 8, 15, 17 and so on. There are so many triplets. So 3 square plus 4 square equals to 5 square. Now 24 and 32 is nothing but 8 multiple of 3 and 4. So if we multiply this one by 8, it will become 24, 32, 40. So if it is 24 and 32, this will become automatically 40 because of this Pythagorean triplets. Or we can calculate it also, we can do this also. Now, so far we have got the area of this triangle, and we have to find out the area of this triangle where all the three sides are known. So this is just for future reference, this is 384 square centimeter. Now from here, there are two options. One, because all the three sides are known, so we can use the formula to finding the area of triangle as S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, root over, which is known as Heron's formula, and we can calculate where S is semi-perimeter. That's one way of doing, which is obviously we can get is a little bit longer. We'll go with a little shorter way. What is the little shorter way?
Isosceles triangle. It's an isosceles triangle.
Right. This is ADC is an isosceles triangle. So what we will do is simply draw a perpendicular from point D. The isosceles triangle, the perpendicular drawn from vertex, this will divide the base in two equal parts. It simply means this side will become 20 and this part will become 20. Now, so this is 20, this is 25. What is the value of this height? This height will be 15. How? What we can do for the time being, we can put it as m. So dm square equals to AD square minus AM square from Pythagoras theorem. And from here we can find out 25 square minus 20 square, and then this value will give us 225. So DM will be 15 centimeter. Or just now we have used something called Pythagorean triplet. We can go back there. Using a Pythagorean triplet 3, 4, 5, if we multiply by 5, we will get 15, 20 and 25. So if 20 and 25 are the two sides, then the third side will be, the smaller side will be 15. So from here directly we can get for our information, but for the process, this is the process to get the value of dm. So this 15, 20 and 25. So what is the perpendicular? Is 15. So what is the area of triangle? ADC equals to half into dm into AC. What is the value of dm? The value of dm is 15 and AC is 40. This will reduce down to 300 square centimeter. So this 300 and 384. So the total will be 684 square centimeter will be the area for this given quadrilateral.